Hey everybody, Danny here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change an air filter in a late model Ram 1500. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the air filter in this 2015 Ram 1500 Bighorn. The steps will be similar for most late model Ram trucks, but be sure to know the specifics for your truck before getting started. If you aren't completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open your hood and locate the air filter housing. Detach the air cleaner cover by gently disengaging the clips on the housing. Lift the air cleaner cover from the lower housing. Remove the old air filter. Clear the inside of the housing of any leaves or debris. Install the new air filter into the lower housing assembly. Make sure the edges of the new filter are flush with the housing. Align the air filter cover with the lower housing assembly. Fasten the air cleaner cover tabs. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get the latest. We'll see you again soon.